Negros Oriental Montessori International School.
Video, te. Video.
Being with your child, it is very important for us teachers to feel your support. Really, I tell you, we really feel the pressure inside the school if you don't have the support of the teachers, of the parents. Because we are the substitute parent inside the school. The gist of my speech tonight is this. I want you to realize how important your teachers are. Simon teachers, good job. 2012, 2013, you did a good job. Can we just clap our hands for the teachers? Miss Grace and Miss Mercy, thank you. I thank you for the preschool. I know the bumps and the bruises, the avocado, the 1, 2, 3, the 7 continents, all because of them. We thank you for just your patience and your perseverance. Miss May and Miss Floricil, where are you? The two beautiful teachers of lower elementary. They're there. Thank you very much for your... the lower elementary is the melting pot. The melting pot of not really babies, but trying to be big boys and girls. Imagine them together in one classroom. Thank you, Miss Floricil and Miss May. I cannot just imagine how you did it for 1 year. I know it's tough, but I just want to salute you. Thank you. Miss Jan and Miss Claire, upper elementary teachers. Where are you? Oh, there. Miss Jan and Miss Claire, upper elementary advisors. Did I see Miss Claire? I saw her a while ago in her eyeglasses. Oh, there she is. Okay. Have you tried being inside?